Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to give you my review on this Zum laundry soap. I honestly love this brand. I buy their body and room mist as well. I've personally been using this brand for about 7 years now, and here I have the 2-pack of the frankincense and myrrh. These ones are good for 64 loads and work with high efficiency machines, and they only have 5 ingredients, which is something I really like about them. The 5 ingredients are water, coconut oil, baking soda, essential oils, and vegetable glycerin. They're also made in the USA and not tested on animals. So one thing my girlfriend found is she got this sweet orange one and then she also got their sea salt one and mixed them together and it made like a Fruit Loop smell, which was awesome. I honestly prefer the frankincense and myrrh though. This is the one I've been using for 7 years. The soap itself is thin and very fragrant. This smell specifically is sweet, warm, woody, and a little earthy, but not musky like patchouli is. My friends always tell me that I have a signature scent about me and that it's very comforting. And it's all thanks to this soap, honestly. I get compliments about it in public and it's never made me break out with my sensitive skin.